Well, we have what many are claiming to be a revolutionary treatment that could stop cancer from ever coming back. And many are saying that they are very close to having this living drug, that's what they're dubbing it, locked down in a way to where it will work similar to a vaccine, to where they can take the T cells of a person through this T cell immunotherapy, and they can reconstruct it to fight back against cancer. Now, they've done several tests here. One of the tests showed that it lasts for at least 14 years inside the body. Other cases showed 94% of the terminally ill patients saw the disease vanish completely. You can kind of see how it works by this graph here that shows what they do. But what they're initially doing is taking these T cells, which are white blood cells that normally fight off viruses and bacteria. They are removed from the patient, and then they are genetically tweaked to recognize and attack their cancer. These GM cells are then grown in their millions in a lab before they are being infused back into the patient. Then they will hunt down and destroy the cancer cells for a long time to come. So this really is sort of a breakthrough in terms of this. Now, anytime you go genetically modifying anything, you have to be very careful. We've talked about this in many different situations, especially here recently with these GM mosquitoes tied to this Zika thing that's going on here. What we have here with this, though, if in the right hands, could do great things. But like I always say, when it comes to technology, it comes down to the hearts of men and women and how they're going to use it, if they're going to use it properly, if they're going to use it for the people or against them. And in this world, all too often, we see things used against us. But this is looking to be a very positive push here in the realm of treating cancer. And for folks out there that have cancer, that don't have much time to live, or if they don't find a way to cure themselves, they're not going to have much time to live, they're willing to go down these routes like one woman did here and say, hey, it's better than nothing, and then it worked. So, you really have to get down to the bottom of exactly what they're doing, what they're injecting into the bacteria and then putting back into your body if you're really that concerned. I know some of the first questions that I would have is, what are they mixing in exactly with my T cells? They're growing them and then putting them back in me. To see the process, I think, broken down fully would help a lot of people in understanding. But just to let folks know, this is a therapy, immunotherapy, with the T cells that they're working with right now that is showing a lot of great potential in terms of curing cancer, fighting it off. And if they've got people here that are seeing great results in one lasting 14 years, they could potentially get this to where it lasts a lifetime. And you're talking about a big move in a direction towards curing cancer once and for all, forever. Now, there's also different forms. You have the liquid type of cancers, such as leukemia, rather than those that form solid tumors. So there's different types of medicines and different ways to treat these different cancers, so to speak. And this looks to be able to treat a lot of them broad scale. So I'll leave a link. Continue to update you guys with more information as I come across it in regards to this. And until next time, this is Dabu7. Peace.